As the world marks the 2025 United Nations International Day of Peace, the federal government has been commended for its continued effort to address violence and promote peace across the country. The Commandant General of the National Unity and Peace Corps, Niger Ranger Service, Dr. Chinedu Nneji, who gave the commendation during a press conference in Abuja to commemorate the global event, praised the strategic and measures deployed by the federal government to maintain peace and security nationwide. Dr. Nneji emphasized the importance of the dialogue as the most effective means of resolving conflicts, but warned against negotiating with terrorists.
Terrorists are against the state. Therefore, even though you apply mechanism of dialogue, there should be an element of force too to bring them to a round table. That is what we believe. So it's a double-barreled approach. Why you use the element of force to bring them to the round table, then you use dialogue to restore norms.
Addressing this year's theme, Art Now for a Peaceful World, Nneji described it a wake-up call for individuals and communities to actively engage in fostering peace, love, mutual understanding, and non-violence.
It is our duty and responsibility as citizens to challenge violence, hate, and discrimination by truthfully speaking out against these social vices anywhere we notice its existence.
Dr. Nneji further urged citizens to speak out against violence, embrace diversity, and show respect for differing opinions and perspectives, stressing that these values are essential for lasting peace both in Nigeria and globally. CNN News.